Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add the uTorrent extension to Chrome. Let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, and at the top, click on the three dots. Then, click on Extensions, and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Next, once you're in the Chrome Web Store, go to the search bar at the top and type uTorrent. Press Enter, and you will see a list of available extensions related to uTorrent. Look for the official uTorrent extension and click on it. Then press the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Simply click Add Extension to complete the installation. If you plan to use it frequently, to access it, what you want to do is just simply click on this puzzle icon right here in the top right corner that says Extensions. Click on the pin icon next to it to keep it visible in your toolbar. Now, you're all set to use the uTorrent extension directly from your Chrome browser. From here, you can adjust the settings according to your preference. You may find options to change download paths, set bandwidth limits, or tweak other configurations based on your needs. You can modify the port settings, update the Web API user, and change the Web API password if needed. Additionally, you'll find various other settings that you can tweak to optimize your experience. You're now done adding the Chrome extension. Now, let's say you want to remove it. The simplest way to remove it is just simply head over to Extensions, and then just simply click on these three dots right here for your extension. There will be an option right here that will allow you to remove it from Chrome. Just simply click and then there you go. As you can see, the extension is now gone. That's pretty much it on how to add your torrent extension in Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.